Hello, welcome back. Okay, in this video, this is one of my favorite ones, okay? This is going to be a hustle whip with an outside underarm turn, okay? Now, this is going to have two variations. We're going to give you one, and then we're going to come back and do the second one, all right? So here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Notice we're going to rotate, change, trapping the hand, yes? Let's do that again. Again, this is variation number 1. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. One more time from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lovely. All right. Now, option number 2. Again, this is where it really gets cool. So we're going to come over here, start from this angle. Ready or not? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Notice I took the right hand between. Yes, let's do that again from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. All right, let's do that again. One more time from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. All right, now you have two variations of this. You need to stop the video and go back and rewind and review. Cool? Learn this one and then come on back to the next pattern.